First impressions count, and when it comes to your hair, you want the best. Introducing CanadaHair.ca, your one-stop shop for premium accessories and hair quality. In terms of extensions, toppers, and wigs, CanadaHair.ca has it all. Step into a world of effortless beauty. Our one-stop shop has it all, makes shopping a breeze. With hair extensions, clip-ins, invisible wires, one-piece or hair toppers, and even comes with wigs of all different colors. With fast shipping, you will have your clip-ins and extensions in no time. Want the benefits? CanadaHair.ca has free and quick shipping across Canada from one of their 5 North American warehouses. They also have easy returns and a rewards program that gives you 5% back so you can use on your next purchase. Canada Hair believes in rewarding their customers, giving them high quality human, synthetic, or Remy hair. The choice is yours. Why settle for anything less? Want to know what I'm getting? I have naturally curly hair. This was a quick blowout and a quick straighten, but it's still limp. I'm thinking of getting clip-ins. Let me show you. Gonna go easy to clip-ins under hair extensions, and all of a sudden I'm met with different selections. I of course want to style my hair with some heat and wash it, so I'm going for human hair. I want 22 inches because normally I'm at around 20 right now, and I'm looking for a little bit of length. Thirdly, their guide of thickness will help me. I will not go for the standard. The thick might be too thin still. I'm going for a really thick look because my hair is cut with layers. And there you have it. Now it's time to choose the color. I am debating between chocolate brown or chestnut brown, but what do I do? Canada Hair has a sample program. For $1, you're able to get 2 premium hair extensions about this big to your doorstep, and you're able to test which one and which color matches with yours. Once I choose, add it to cart, and there we go. Did I mention about the coupons? Oh yeah, you're able to fill out surveys and get up to $27, even $37 off of your order. So affordability, check. Girls' night out, covered. Premium hair, done. Go to CanadaHair.ca for yours now.